Jonathan here from the Tesla Guys, and our mission is to keep the best cars in the world always looking their best. Today we're featuring Green Reconditioning, a mobile paint repair service that specializes in fixing bumpers for Teslas. Some of the services we provide here at the Tesla Guys is mobile dent repair, mobile paint repair, mobile rims repair, mobile detail, chrome delete, and clear bra protection. We're also looking for the best service providers in every area. And if you are a service provider and you want to work on the best cars in the world, feel free to contact us. Go to our website, theteslaguys.com. Now here's Green Recon repairing the rear bumper on a Tesla S. All right, we're here. We're gonna repair this rear bumper. It's got some spiderweb cracking right in the middle of it. It got bumped. More videos to come, so please subscribe and feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks again.